Vaccines versus variants. Good evening, everybody. I'm Trisha Keene.
And I'm Ty Quinones. Well, three main COVID-19 variants can be found across the U.S. So this includes the highly contagious South African variant, which was recently found right here in Nevada. So the question tonight is, well, how do you know if the shot you already received will work?
And Austin Carter is live tonight. And Austin, you spoke with a doctor who may be able to answer some questions.
Yeah, Trisha, and he says that these variants should not stop the effectiveness of the vaccines, but that's not stopping the FDA from issuing some guidance to these vaccine makers if they plan to make some changes.
There's flexibility, basically.
Despite woes over COVID-19 variants, some of which that can spread more easily than others, drug companies may be getting ahead. New details released by the Food and Drug Administration recommends that antibody products are developed with the expectation that they will be combined with others against variants as they form. Dr. Brian Labus, an infectious disease epidemiologist, says the green light from the FDA will not be a complete change in makeup of the vaccines.
Everything about it remains the same. It's just the information contained in that mRNA is slightly different.
Pfizer says the South African COVID-19 strain could reduce vaccine protection. That strain was found in Reno last week, and across the nation, variants from the United Kingdom and Brazil have been found. Despite changes in the virus since it all began last year, Dr. Labus says the COVID-19 shot process is similar to what happens with the flu shot every year.
We have to change that vaccine every year to match what's circulating, and we don't have to go through a complete FDA approval process every time we do that.
Another bonus, COVID-19 vaccine modifications won't require that lengthy of an approval process due to the variants. Dr. Labus says if you've had your first shot already, you're good to go.
There may be a slight change in the immune response, but it's still sufficient to protect you from these viruses.
And I did reach out to a few of the vaccination sites across southern Nevada to get their response to the rise of these variants. Now, Roseman University, they say that it's definitely of concern to see that there is a rise of those mutations, but they say that the key will be to make sure that they can get as many people vaccinated as quickly as possible. Reporting live tonight, I'm Austin Carter, 13 Action News.
Austin, thank you.